Ways to make wise financial decisions. Part 1. Making informed financial decisions is crucial for achieving your goals and building a secure financial future. Here are popular strategies to help you make sound financial choices. Set clear financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Having specific, measurable, and achievable goals provides direction for your financial decisions. Long-term perspective. Financially wise individuals take a long-term view of their financial goals. They prioritize saving and investing for the future, such as retirement or major life milestones. Understand your income. Have a clear understanding of your sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, investment returns, and any other sources. Knowing your income stream is essential for budgeting and financial planning. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses to understand where your money is going. This tracking helps you identify spending patterns and areas where you can make adjustments. Mindful spending. Practice mindful spending by aligning your expenditures with your values and priorities. This helps ensure that your money is used in ways that bring you satisfaction and happiness. Prioritize needs over wants. Distinguish between needs and wants. Prioritize spending on essential items like housing, utilities, food, and healthcare before allocating money to non-essential items. Avoid impulse spending. Resist impulsive purchases by taking time to consider non-essential buying decisions. This helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and buyer's remorse. Review subscriptions. Regularly review and cancel subscriptions that you no longer use or need. This includes streaming services, magazines, and other recurring expenses. Delayed gratification. Financially wise individuals practice delayed gratification by avoiding impulsive purchases and saving for goals rather than succumbing to instant desires. Living below means. Financially wise individuals avoid excessive spending and live below their means. They prioritize needs over wants, practice frugality, and make conscious spending decisions. Compare prices. Compare prices before making major purchases. Researching and shopping around can help you find the best deals and save money. Comparison shop. Research prices and compare options before making significant purchases. Look for discounts, promotions, and consider buying secondhand or generic brands to save money. Negotiate and shop smart. Negotiate prices when possible, especially for big-ticket items. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and loyalty programs to save money on regular purchases. Review and negotiate bills. Regularly review your bills and negotiate expenses such as insurance premiums, cable internet fees, and subscription costs. Seeking better deals can free up funds for other financial priorities. Avoid debt for depreciating assets. Be cautious about taking on debt for assets that depreciate rapidly, such as cars. Consider saving for such purchases instead of relying on credit. Invest in quality. While it's important to be frugal, sometimes investing in higher quality items can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacements. Consider long-term consequences. Evaluate the long-term consequences of your financial decisions. Assess how your choices today may impact your financial well-being in the future. Remember that making informed financial decisions is an ongoing process that requires attention, education, and adaptability. Regularly reassess your goals and financial plan to ensure they align with your evolving needs and circumstances.